YoFreeSamples is a website where users can find free samples of various products, ranging from health and beauty items to food and household goods. The main appeal of YoFreeSamples is that it's a simple platform where you can sign up and get access to a variety of sample offers. You can browse categories, claim samples, and potentially have them shipped directly to your home for free. The site is pretty user-friendly, but it's not without its issues. First, let's talk about the positives. YoFreeSamples provides a broad selection of products to try, and it can be an excellent way to test new items before committing to a full-size purchase. Whether you're into skincare, snacks, or even pet supplies, there's something here for almost everyone. Plus, the samples are entirely free, which is a big plus for anyone looking to try products without spending money. However, there are some drawbacks. The main downside is that not all samples are always available, and you might have to wait for the next batch of products to be listed. Additionally, while the samples are free, there are often surveys or sign-up processes that can take time. Some users report that they've encountered a few glitches when trying to claim specific samples, with some offers being unavailable or not providing a clear way to receive them. It's also worth noting that while YoFreeSamples does provide free samples, the site's focus is not entirely on high-end products. If you're hoping to get premium, high-value items for free, you might be a bit disappointed. Most of the samples tend to be from mid-range or lesser-known brands. But here's something that can make your experience even better. If you're not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts, I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Gifmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, YoFreeSamples is a decent option for anyone interested in free samples. While it's not perfect, it does offer a straightforward way to access a range of free products. Just be prepared for a bit of patience and minor frustrations when it comes to claiming certain offers. If you're into testing products for free, it's definitely worth checking out. But keep your expectations realistic about what you'll actually receive. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews like this one. Your support helps me create better content for you.